Hi, everyone. In our last episode, we talked about what happens emotionally when a diagnosis arrives: the grief, the confusion, and the process of finding acceptance. But here's what comes next: empowerment. Because once you've accepted your child's diagnosis, it doesn't end there. New questions, new challenges, and new hopes begin. Let's dig a little deeper into this. Let's start by looking to see why knowledge of your child's diagnosis is so important. It is fundamental because once you understand your child's diagnosis, what it means, how it presents, and what supports help your child, you can walk into meetings not as a passive listener, but as an informed partner. Parents who are informed can ask better questions, they understand the interventions better, and they can recognize when strategies are not working. And this changes everything, both for your child's progress and for your confidence and state of mind. If you are wondering how to become better informed and prepared, research. Find research you can trust, whether it be books, webinars, school psychologists, or parent networks that rely on fact and evidence. A great resource is a book called Yardsticks. This book helps you understand what's developmentally typical at different ages. So, knowing what's realistic for a 9-year-old versus a 12-year-old can help you see whether a specific challenge that your child is facing is part of their typical growth or if it is related to your child's specific profile. And now, the power of advocacy. When you attend a parent teacher meeting, you're not there to defend your child, you're there to partner with the team. And if something doesn't feel right, you can ask the following questions: what strategies have you tried so far? What are you thinking to try next? What has been working so far? And how can I support these strategies from home? You are not just part of the conversation, you are shaping the conversation. Remember, never put a ceiling over your child's growth and potential, and never let anyone else do this to them either. A diagnosis can describe, but it does not define who your child is. Children grow, change, and surprise us every single day. A skill that's hard today may be learned tomorrow with the right support. And always stay hopeful, because your belief becomes part of your child's foundation of growth. So, yes, a diagnosis does change things, but it doesn't take away all the options. It opens the path to understanding your child more deeply and advocating for them more powerfully. Keep learning, keep asking, and keep believing in the power of growth. If this episode helped you feel more supported, please like and subscribe and share it with another parent. And please join me next time from the teacher's desk as we talk about how to partner with your child's teacher to ensure your child is receiving the best possible support. See you next time.